Okay, so here's a quick video on how to raise or lower this back place to recline it or to put it back up. There's a little pull tab here in the back, and so you'll pinch it on both sides and pull this down, and as you see, it drops that backing down, which would be reclining it. To put it up, and excuse me, I do this with one hand as I'm videotaping, you would just pull that string, and as you pull here on the back and slide that up, it will keep it in the up position. And if you enjoyed this video, please check the playlist in the video description. I have some other videos on reviews for the strollers, how to install the car seats, some other things that you might enjoy. So if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and let me know if you have any questions or any requests. Thanks for watching.